to start off with the dry ingredients, you're going to go 1 cup 3/4 of powdered sugar, 1 cup of almond flour, and then 1 teaspoon of salt, and then you're going to sift it into the bowl so you get all the lumps and chunks out.
I need to figure out how things intertwine. The ropes are choking us. If only I could blow away the heavy clouds up in our sky. I see you. Can you see me too? Tell me how it feels to know that I cannot let you go. My veins, they are strained.
The wet ingredients, you're just going to need 3 eggs that you're going to be taking the yolk out of and just using the egg whites, and then a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar.
Once again, I've lost my weakness. Only void inside my bones, paralyzed like a dog. Tears filling up within. I gave you all there was to give of me. The next move's on you, spitting out all excuses. Give me something that is real. They say it's better to have love than none, but all I feel is doubt. Will you turn this ship around before the night will close us down? I see you. Can you see me too? Tell me how it feels to know that I cannot let you go. My veins, they are sprained.
Alright, so after 30 minutes of sitting, it has a good little shell. So now they can go in the oven for 17 minutes at 300 degrees. And how you know that they're good to go is that they can do these little indents. Don't focus. But you can still see it anyways, but yeah. Now for the filling, we're going to do just a simple vanilla buttercream. So we got 2 sticks of unsalted butter, 3 cups of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk or heavy cream.